This is perfect for the button nose. Okay, so hi guys, so this is what the Juno & Co sponge came in. This is the microfiber fusion sponge. Let me get up close so you guys can see. So I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw that this was only for like $1. So I clicked on the link on Instagram and it was like it's only for $1. So I'm like, okay, $1's not bad. And then they're like shipping and handling is like $6. So I'm like, what? So I was like, you know what, might as well let me just try it because I've heard so much about this Juno sponge. So this is from Juno & Co microfiber fusion sponge. It says to achieve the ultimate in foundation coverage with this makeup brush and blender fusion sponge, it saves 50% more makeup products and spend 50% less time applying with our innovative design, perfect for blending in all formulas. So when you get this, it also comes with like this little paper in here that tells you how to clean it and the do's and don'ts and how to use it dry and how to use it wet. You can either use this wet if you're gonna apply like your foundation, your concealer, and if you're contouring, if you have like that. And you could use it dry. You could use it dry if you're doing for bronzers, blush, and highlighters. So for today's video, I'm gonna use it wet. So far, it feels really smooth. Like you could see like the microfiber. Like it feels really cool. Like, so I bought into the hype. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this brush and we're gonna start using it. You guys, it feels so weird. I think we have to squeeze out the excess. It got really big, as you can see. This is what it's looking like. Got it wet. So there's a flat part right here and it feels so smooth, and then there's like the regular part. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and compare the two. This is my Real Technique sponge, which is what I usually use. Don't mind it, it's a little dirty, don't judge me. And this is the Juno sponge. So this is what they look like side by side. I mean, they are different shapes. I guess this one, the Real Techniques one, it's like it's longer. I guess they're the same, right? What do you think? Comment down below. This one does feel like it feels thick, but it's like smooth. But this one feels like, you know, like it's just like there. But this one does feel like it has some extra oomph in it. Get what I'm feeling? Get what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. And the foundation I'm using is my Estee Lauder Double Wear. I am in the shade Deep Spice. I live for this foundation. If I'm trying to be out here and I'm trying to slay, this is the foundation that I go to do that. And I think I'm running out, but it's okay. We're gonna go get another one. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. I'm excited. I'm so like scared. Okay. And so far it feels nice on my skin. What do you guys think? It did a great job at blending. Right? My skin looks good. It looks good.
Looks blended.
It looks blended. Thank you. This is what the sponge is looking like after I just used that. It feels really nice on the skin. I'm not gonna lie. It feels very nice on the skin. My foundation like blended in so seamlessly. Like, girl. If I had a brush, I'll still be out here trying to make sure there's like no streaks or anything. But I love a brush, but this sponge so far is doing a great job. Like, my face looks good. Like, yes. We're gonna go ahead and use our concealer now to conceal. For concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my Born This Way concealer. This is in the shade Chestnut, and we're just going to use that. So now I'm gonna go with this part of the, it even looks different too on camera, right? looks a little bit more darker, and it feels so soft. I'm gonna go in with this part and just go ahead and blend out my concealer. But look how perfect it blended it out. Like, it's looking good. And to bake, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty loose powder, Pro Filter loose powder in hazelnut. If you guys want to see my Fenty Beauty review, I'll definitely link that somewhere up here. I'm going with the part that I was using to put on my concealer, and I'm gonna use that to my under eye. It feels soft. It looks scary, but it feels really soft. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished on my eyes. Don't judge me, you guys. I'm not that good with eyeshadow, but I did a little something. Literally, I don't know what the heck I just did, but it's something. So I did wipe off the powder using this. As you guys can see, my face looks a little bit like, girl, what is going on? But I usually go back in and fix it because I get carried away. And to fix that, I'm gonna just go back in with my foundation. So I'm just gonna go in with my foundation just to clean up a little bit. So I'm gonna attempt to use the bottom side to apply my blush and I don't know, maybe my highlight. Of course, just my e.l.f. blush. I probably need to get new blush as well, so let me know down below what blush you guys recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. blush. Oh, it looks very nice. Oh look, it looks very nice. I put a lot of blush on. I like putting blush on my nose now. Who did I see do that? Should we go a step further and use it for our highlight? So for highlight, I haven't used this in a while. I'm gonna use the Makeup Shayla Booming Highlighter. You guys, I can't believe like I have not used this in a while. Like I've been super lazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it today. We're gonna still use the bottom of it, maybe like the side, the bottom side. And we're gonna see how it goes. Oh, why did I stop using this highlighter? This is perfect for the button nose. Okay, I'm gonna use the end of this. Well, the part where I use to apply my foundation. It looks good. It looks really good. The blush looks really nice. The highlighter looks really nice. This is how the face is looking using the Juno sponge. This is how the sponge is looking afterwards. I still have a little bit over here. I still have a clean spot right here. I guess I could try to use that to clean up. Alright, you guys, so I'm back and I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts on this sponge. I tried my best to do like the majority of my face with it, and you guys, my face looks flawless. Like it looks really flawless. Like no streaks, no nothing. I did mess up over here when it came to putting on the highlight and stuff, but over here it looks like really good. And then apply the blush and the highlight perfectly. I like that it dries very quickly and it feels so good. Like I really like this sponge. It's very nice. It allowed me to put on my makeup really flawlessly, and I like the fact that even when you wet it, like it dries very quickly. Like it's not even wet right now, but I am going to go ahead and wash it so I can see how it washes. I will try to include a video of me washing the brush. I did recommend to wash the brush, and I will like try to insert a clip here. But yes, you guys, this Juno sponge really did the trick. Like it really worked really well. this microfiber sponge is really lit. I looked online and it's like $6 now, but when I saw like the sponsored ad, it was $1, but with shipping, it really came out to like $6. So yes, so if you guys made it to the end of this video, I am doing a giveaway. So I will be giving away a pair of lashes from Your Lash Bar, and I'm also giving away one of the microfiber sponge right here. So I'm giving away these two things. It's like a thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers. It's nothing big, but it's just a small token for you subscribing to my channel. It's like, so make sure you are, obviously you must be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video, comment down below how you found my channel. Did I harass you to subscribe, or you just found me? And add your Instagram name, and also follow me on Instagram, because that's how I'll be picking it out. So make sure you have like an Instagram. If you don't, just let me know that you don't have an Instagram and we'll try to work that out. And yes, you guys, so be sure to enter into this giveaway. You could comment as many times as you want to. You can also tag if any of your friends or anyone who you think will like the lashes and the sponge. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and helping me get over 100 subscribers, which I'm really excited about. So the next goal is to get 500, and then it's 1,000, and then it's like 10,000, and then like it's only up from here, I promise. Okay. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless. Setting spray is the truth. Like, it just brings everything together. At least. Ooh. My love.